Morning is Friday, February 23rd, and yesterday I got a lot of grinding done on the batch of MagnaCut I'm working on. So a couple of them are ready for handles, the custom, and then like this one. So I still have more grinding and more polishing to do on them, but I had to get off the grinder, or I chose to get off the grinder so Yake could get some work done on the paring knives. So then I started some handle work. So I did a cool, actually that's a good picture of it. So it's a green and purple box elder burl, and it's got a green and purple liner on it. That's gonna go on the Kirtsuki Petty, and then on the European utility knife is gonna get an AAO with a red liner. I may end up doing a red and a white liner, but it might just be a red one. So we'll get that one glued up. And then start handle production on those, as well as grinding and polishing on everything still as well. So that's really my day. Here's Daniel with what he's got going on.
What's up, everyone? Just to catch up with what's going on in my world, I have got those Bowies all done. We're just putting them in inventory, so that will be what I start my day off with. And then on to cleaning up this batch to get ready for handles. So basically finishing up the grinds, getting things down to thickness or the final thickness, getting them to their final grits so that way I can finish them the way I want to, and then into handles. If I can get that far, that'd be great. Don't know if I will, but that along with getting this one, the Kukri, which I've got the copper bolster all kind of fitted up, finally into a better spot and progress there as well. That's going to be the majority of my day, as well as whatever else comes in. We're going to now go ahead and go into our favorite place with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about some Cowboy Bowies Daniel finished up yesterday. So we have a little bit of everything. So draft bone with a nice, and this is that the pre-dyed leather?
That is the pre-dyed
yes.
leather,
yes. So this is the same leather I used for one of mine recently. Great quality leather. I'm super stoked with that. And that one has a nice, lovely fit. And these are all D2. This one is our Texas Spalted Pecan dyed blue, and he did a really cool carve job on there, as well as up on the blade, on the spine. Just stoked by that one. It was an idea he's had for a while, so glad to see him execute it. And then a piece of diamond wood. So that's the chestnut diamond wood, and dyed that sheath perfectly to complement that. And then this is a piece of a carbon fiber with brass plate in it, with a black sheath. And these handles are absolutely brilliant. Love the feel and weight of that in the hand. So if you're interested in a Bowie, check out that set.
Right on. All right, y'all, like Russell said, go ahead and check that out. They should be on the website later today, so I appreciate any and all the love. We'll go ahead and wrap it up here. See you tomorrow to wrap up the week. Peace.